Easter is here and we're getting ready for Good Friday. Now, if you don't want to be stuck eating fish fingers on Good Friday, I'm going to show you how to bake the best flounder you will ever have. So let's get started with our fish. Now, it doesn't matter what fish you're going to use here, just make sure it's super fresh. And I'm going to serve my dish with a salad. So anchovies, olives, tomatoes, rocket and spinach, all with olive oil and a white balsamic. Just perfect. Now, where most people go wrong when they're using whole fish is they try and bombard it with so much flavor and spice, and it just ruins it. So all I'm doing here is I've got just a really nice olive oil, and I'm just going to drizzle it over there and simply add to that salt and pepper into the oven at 200 Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. Now for my salad. In my bowl here, I'm going to put in some nice fresh rocket, some spinach, nice mixture of olives, some cherry tomatoes, and some anchovies. Then a little bit of olive oil, and the special ingredient here is going to be about a teaspoon of white balsamic, pepper, salt, and just give them a little toss about. So there you have it, whole baked flounder with a nice fresh salad, perfect for any Friday, even Good Friday.